Today we're going to use some old candles and repurpose them into teacups, into teacup candles. First thing you're going to want to do is glue the bottom of the teacup to the saucer. Then you want to take a slow cooker, line your slow cooker with some tin foil, add a couple inches of water, turn it on high, and then pop in these glass candles. If you're using other old candles, you can just remove all the labels before you start and place them in a can before you pop them into your slow cooker. Let your wax melt for about an hour or so, and you're going to see that the level of the wax drops quite a bit in your containers. Use something old, like an old fork like me, or you can use chopsticks and retrieve those wicks out of your candles. Set them aside. Then we're going to take our wax melts from the Dollar Tree as well, and I used the whole package, divided them in 6 pieces, and put 3 in each jar. Once you have the wax in there, or the wax melts in there, you can let it melt for about another half an hour before we get ready to pour. While that continues to melt, I prepared a work counter to pour the wax in. You can do either tin foil, parchment paper, but I used an old towel. And here I am pouring the wax in that's now melted. And this first wick, I had sealed the bottom of it with just a little bit of wax to hold it in place. And then I added the rest of the wax and made sure I held it right in the middle there. See me, I'm just adjusting the bottom of the wick around. Now that's because the metal didn't come with it. On this other one, you're going to see it's easier to do because the little metal tip, when I pulled it out of the wax, the metal end came with it, which made it really easy. I just wrapped it around a stick and put it over the teacup in the middle, and then poured the warm wax in there. It's important to note I'm wearing oven mitts, but that wax isn't really all that hot. I don't think it would be comfortable, but I don't think it would burn you severely either. So I used what I had left from the first container and then grabbed the second container to just top it up a little bit. So now I'm just going to leave them here quietly and let them cool.